How to invest in the stock market as a complete beginner. Hey there! Welcome back to DipsTips, your friendly guide to smarter money moves. Today's topic is a big one: how to invest in the stock market as a complete beginner. If the stock market sounds confusing or scary to you, don't worry. I'm breaking it down in a way that's super easy to understand. No boring jargon, just real talk. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the stock market? The stock market is a place where you can buy small pieces, called shares, of companies like Apple, TCS, Amazon, or Reliance. When you own a share, you literally own a tiny part of that company. As the company grows and earns profits, the value of your shares usually goes up too, and that's how you make money. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, but how do I even start? Here's step number 1. Open a DMAT and trading account. This is like your bank account, but for stocks. You can open one through platforms like Zerodha, Grow, Upstocks, or any trusted broker. The process is online and takes just a few minutes if you have your PAN, Aadhaar, and bank details ready. Step 2. Start small and simple. Don't jump into risky stocks or follow random tips on social media. Instead, start with safe options like index funds or blue-chip stocks. These are big, established companies with a stable track record. You can even begin with just Rs 100, R 500. Yes, it's that accessible. Tip number 3, don't try to time the market. Many beginners think they can buy low and sell high and get rich quick. But in reality, even experts can't predict the market perfectly. Instead, focus on long-term investing. Pick good stocks or mutual funds and stay invested for years, not days. This is where compound growth works its magic. Next, understand what you're investing in. Never put money into something you don't understand. Read about the companies, their profits, products, and plans. Watch beginner videos or read basic articles, not just fancy headlines. When you know what you're buying, you'll feel way more confident and less likely to panic during market dips. Also, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Always build an emergency fund first, and then use only surplus money to invest. The stock market is powerful, but it's also unpredictable in the short term. So never invest money you need for rent, bills, or daily life. And one more thing, just be patient. Stocks don't make you rich overnight, but with consistency and time, they absolutely can. Imagine investing $2,000 every month into good stocks or index funds. In 10 years, that could grow into lakhs. The key is to stay calm, stay invested, and keep learning. Let's recap your beginner's stock market game plan. 1. Open a DMAT and trading account. 2. Start small and go slow. 3. Choose safe, beginner-friendly stocks or index funds. 4. Don't try to time the market. 5. Only invest what you can afford to risk. 6. Learn before you invest. 7. Be patient and think long-term, and that's it. You don't need to be a finance expert to start investing. You just need curiosity, consistency, and a little bit of courage. If you're still feeling unsure, don't worry. We'll explore each part in future videos right here on DipsTips. If this helped you feel a little more confident about investing, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to grow their money the smart way. Until next time, invest smart, stay chill, and keep building your future.